teacher Shri.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Phonics class. In today's video, I will teach you jolly phonics or sound, and that is again important sound in jolly phonics because so many words are there which is starting with, ending with or sound. Let's learn some words which is having or sound. First word, or. For, for. Art, sort. Arm, torn. Arm, horn. Pop, corn, corn. Popcorn. Fog, horn, horn. Foghorn. Storm, storm. Arm, farm. Lord, lord. Card, card. Sport. This is a little bit tricky word. Next. Horse, horse. Organ. Ornament. Ornament. Toys, tortoise. Platform, platform. Record, record. For, got, forgot. For, give, forgive. This is also one of the tricky words. So this is or sound simple words. Now let's learn some examples which is having or sound, but that word contain combination of tricky words and or sound. So the examples are monitor, afford, terror, terrorist, visitor, sportsman, reporter, report. These are the examples which is having or sound, but when we read that word, it is the combination of some tricky words and or sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our Jolly Phonics upcoming videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you.